Hey crafties, welcome to my channel. Here I am with another DIY wall decor. So keep watching. So let's start our DIY by drawing a triangle of any size of our choice and cut them out. We need 3 of them or as many as we want, but in the same size and shape. Now let us paint the cardboard triangles, 2 of them in black color and 1 in red. After arranging the cardboard triangles, we can stick them with hot glue gun. And here I am decorating them with stones. You can be creative and use whatever you want and decorate them as you wish. And now we are done with this DIY wall decor. I hope you like this video. If you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.